Are you excited to learn about shapes? We have a Play-Doh set with many shapes. Let's get rolling. I have yellow dough in my hand and a matching yellow cutter. Let's roll it out. This is a circle. We see circles everywhere. A ring, wheels, pizza. A pizza slice is a triangle. Let's search for a triangle here. Here it is. Let's match the color with the dough. Pink. This is a pink triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's take the orange dough and cutter of the same color. It's a square. Let's make the dough square. A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see anything square around you? A window, a bread slice. Another shape has 4 sides. Can you guess? Yes, a rectangle. Here it is, a brown one. Let's roll out the brown dough and cut out a rectangle. A book, a chocolate bar are rectangles. We see some shapes in the sky too, like this one. A star. We have the dough here. Let's make this shape. A blue star. We see stars in the night sky. Twinkle, twinkle. We see kites in the sky too. A kite is diamond in shape. Let's make it. I have a black cutter and the black dough is right here. A diamond. We have a heart-shaped cutter too. Let's search for the matching dough for it. Purple. I'm rolling out the dough. And here is a purple heart. Do you see this shape around you? I love heart-shaped cookies and heart-shaped balloons. They look so cute. Let's see the shapes once again. Yellow circle, pink triangle, orange square, brown rectangle, blue star, black diamond, purple heart. We can make some shapes with our fingers too. It's cool, right? Do you want to see? Put your thumbs and index fingers like this and join them together. Look, a triangle. Now curve your finger and thumb like this. A circle. Now let's do a rectangle. Make an L with your hands, twist and join them together. A rectangle. We can make a heart too, like this. Wanna do it again? A triangle, a circle, a rectangle, a heart. Wasn't this fun? Thank you guys. If you had fun playing with me, click the like button. And yes, subscribe to VDot. Bye bye.